Hello everyone, I am Surojit Karmakar. I just completed my post-graduation in human physiology from University of Calcutta this year. I joined Biotecnika somewhere around September 2017. In June 2018, I qualified CSIR JRF with an All India rank of 65. During this short span of time, I balanced my MSc semester studies with the CSIR NET study. The CSIR NET life science syllabus is very big. It's huge. It's humongous, right? Without proper strategy and proper guidance, no one can complete this syllabus due time. The simplest strategies I followed actually is learn, revise, and practice. More and more I revised, more and more I practiced the MCQs. I boomed my confidence to a level that I didn't feel any kind of pressure while giving the exam. I must talk about the Biotechnika Kolkata faculties. They are so good. They taught every topic in a very crisp and a precise way that it really lowered my burden to learn those topics from huge books. Um, the second most important thing I must talk about is the regular assessment, regular weekly and monthly test. It really gave me a very good platform to self-assess or track my preparations. And the third most important thing is the online study portal. This portal contains recorded videos, PowerPoints, test series from all the centers of Biotechnica. We can access them anytime we want. And the most important thing that through this study portal we can clarify all our doubt 24/7. So hard work coupled with the proper guidance by the Biotechnica faculty helped me to achieve this feat. Thank you.
Should you have any questions, please comment below.